Hi, thank you for clicking on the video, and I hope everyone is doing really well. So I have been up since about 5:30, 5:45 this morning. It is now 9:30, so I am looking pretty good. I went to the gym and now I'm back and I'm having my coffee. I am going to be doing it's not a makeup tutorial, it's just how I put on my face in the morning, I guess. So I have two looks that I do. The first is my work look, where I go all out and I put a ton of stuff on my face. And then there's my other look where I put less stuff on my face. As you can see, I am human. I have spots, I have discoloration, I am pale like a ghost, which I like that. So the first step that I always do, flip the nose ring to the inside. That way you don't get any foundation on the ring. The next step is to pin back all your little wispies. It's a step-by-step on how to go from hard to look at to less hard to look at. I put on, this is one of my favorite brands. So I've got the face lotion. I use their shampoo, their conditioner, like everything. So there it is. Yeah. And unlike Millie Bobby Brown, you can actually see it go on. And it's about now that you realize, oh, I have put way too much on. And once you've put something that is bright white on your face, you really are able to see all the blotchy and the pinkness. And we want to get rid of that. We want to get rid of the color. We want to keep it pale. We want to keep it nice and ghostly. And then what you're going to do with all the nasty white stuff is on your black sweatpants, you're just going to wipe. That's my primer key. Pretty much everything I use is e.l.f. Like 99.9% of my makeup is e.l.f. So this is their acne fighting foundation. I use this every day, or unless I'm not wearing makeup, and then I combine it with their Flawless Finish foundation for like my work day, but I'm not going to use that today. So this, I put it on a nice clean sponge here, and then I just dab it onto where I see breakouts, like all over my face. So you kind of create a nice little like beard of color. I don't know if you can see it. It's a pretty overcast day, so I usually use like the sunlight as my light, so I'm using my ring light. I love this stuff because it's acne fighting, but this is the lightest shade they make, and I'm fair. I'm a fair maiden, and this is just not my skin tone. So this next step is where you have to be very careful. So because this is not my actual skin tone, what I do is I use this. This is the Mix and Match adjuster. Basically, it's like white clown paint. I have made the mistake of putting way too much on, and then I'm like pasty, like pale, and then I found out that my arms are actually darker than my face at that point. So we want everything to just blend together. So again, you're going to grab a nice clean sponge. And you just put it on. I like to put it, my cheeks protrude. Obviously my nose protrudes more, but my cheeks are, other than my nose, they are what protrudes the most. So I start with my cheeks and then I blend from there. And you're just trying to look semi-natural with makeup on. So you can see I still have breakouts. I do not wear makeup to cover my breakouts. I wear makeup because I enjoy it. It's something that I find fun. I like experimenting. If I have a breakout that is like pulsating and red and disgusting, then yes, makeup is nice to like tone it down, but I'm not like here to look completely matte. I love the look of looking matte, but like I'm human. I'm not gonna look like that. It's the same as like the clothes you wear. It's just you expressing yourself, and it shouldn't be for other people. It shouldn't be because of other people. It shouldn't be in spite of other people. You should just do it because you enjoy it. It's another reason why I rarely brush my hair. I don't enjoy it. I'll show you how I get my beautiful locks. So luscious. You gotta make sure that the sideburns and goatee area blend into the neck beard. Just throw on a scarf. You know, it's getting cold here. Just throw on a scarf. Put on a collared shirt. No one actually needs to know how pale your arms are in comparison to your face and your fake skin tone. My favorite makeup tools I have is this whole set of unicorn horn brushes. Step one is I grab this little brush and I like to brush it upwards, get them untangled, realize I should probably tweeze these things. So I have this like brush. It's a dual liquid. I don't really know, what is it? What are you? What do you do? I think it's another like primer or something, but it kind of like glues them down, I found. I don't think it's supposed to do that. And it kind of just holds the shape. So if I wanted to then go back in, draw in where I'm missing things, I can, but I'm not going to do that today because I don't need to look presentable. My favorite thing, eyeliner. Sometimes I do brown, but sometimes I do purple, but the classic is black eyeliner. That's happened to your early 2000s emo kid that is right there. So I just got this and it's like my new favorite thing. So I got this dual eyeliner. One side is matte, one side is shimmery. It is so great. And black. I feel like I look exactly the same. So then you're gonna finishing touches. Mascara. I just got this one. This is the lash extending mascara. Every time I get a new mascara, I'm like, oh, this is the best one. This is the best one. Have you ever noticed, if you ever watched like women putting on makeup, they put on makeup weird. They make the funniest faces. My husband, one of the first times he saw me putting on makeup, he was like, why do women, when they put on like eyeliner and mascara, why do they always have their mouth open? So ever since then, I am like, so my all-time favorite lip anything is the liquid matte lipstick from e.l.f. Obviously, I pretty much own every single one of the colors. I love it so much. But when I'm doing something like very simple on my eye, I like to do something a little bit shinier on my lips, and then vice versa. If I'm doing shimmery eyeshadow, eyeliner, a little bit more all out, you know, got the highlighter, all of that, I do a more matte look on the lips. And I've been liking the more like blushy taupey colors on my lip. I know this is gonna sound weird, but it makes me just look a little bit more dead, which is what I like. But today I'm going to be using, it's like, I don't know if you can see, it's like this color. You'll see when it goes on. It never looks the same in the tube. You can appreciate my hairy ass armpits. So that is that look. And then this is how you do your hair. So you, after you've pinned back, then you so what you want to do to have hair like this is wash it at night. When it's soaking wet, put it up, sleep on it in a bun, like a turd as I like to call it, and then keep it up, go to the gym, work out, sweat, and then take it down, and then you have just gorgeous, gorgeous locks. I then like to do weird things like this. Guess that's what I'm gonna look like today. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. That's cool. Be sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed already. I really appreciate it, so thank you so much. If you have any video suggestions, comments, questions, anything, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for thrilling content, more than this, and I will see you next time. Bye!